guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. Sa video na ito, I will show you how I repurpose Vitamilk glass bottle into a beautiful kitchen condiment container. Plus, may review ako about bottle pourer nozzle and label maker. So if you are interested, please keep on watching! Una, hugasan muna ang bottle at tanggalin ang label.
A few minutes later.
At eto na siya, malinis at wala ng label. Patutuyuin muna natin ito at habang pinapatuyo, gagawa tayo ng label for the condiments. Yes, kailangan ng label tulad ng relasyon nyo. May label nga ba? Joke! Let's create label using this label maker. Available ito sa Lazada or Shopee. Price range is from 250 pesos to 500 pesos. Refillable din po yung tape niya. Merong metallic, fluorescent, pastel, or basic colors. Best for labeling, organizing, decorating, and DIY. Simulan na natin ang paggawa ng label. Ayan, kompleto na ang ating label. Meron na tayong label for coconut oil, soy sauce, vinegar, salt, and sugar. Ito naman ang ating bottle pourer nozzle. Available sa Lazada at Shopee. Price range is from 25 pesos to 60 pesos each. Ito ay leak-proof, easy and controlled pouring, prevent messy spills. Ang material niya ay food-grade rubber and plastic. Tuyo na ang ating bottle so pwede nang idikit ang ating label. Ito na ang repurpose Vitamilk bottle natin. Ito na ang aking kitchen condiment containers. Ang ganda na nila. For me, worth it ang pagbili ko ng label maker at ng bottle pourer nozzle. Kaya next time, huwag nang itapon ang Vitamilk bottle mo. Repurpose na yan. I hope you learned something new today. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!